Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 10. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Recently, an upcoming political party in Maharashtra created a huge fuss. Stop. It blamed non-Marathis for creating problems for Marathis living in Mumbai and the rest of Maharashtra. Stop. Its prime target was Biharis, people of a state known for its relatively higher proportion of migrant labor population. Stop. This party claimed that non-Marathis come to Maharashtra seeking opportunities, which mounts pressure on infrastructure and jobs meant for the existing Marathis. Stop. Implicit in this was the widely erroneous assumption that the local economy and state resources from drinking water to real estate and advertised jobs are a Marathi entitlement. Stop. Quite conventionally ignoring that the companies doing business in Mumbai or the farmers growing vegetables may be selling their goods all over the country and thus earning revenue from everywhere. Stop. This racist political rhetoric also never mentioned that a Marathi youth, just like any other Indian youth, is entitled to join national colleges or jobs like the IIT or the army, respectively. Stop. If you apply even basic reasoning and logic, the tirade of keeping non Marathis out or blaming them for Maharashtra's woes falls flat on its face at best. Stop. At worst, it may even be a criminal offense amounting to racism and hate speech. Stop. But we Indians are not known for logic. Stop. Be it our movies or political pitches, emotions matter more than reason or even truth. Stop. Blaming non Marathis thus provides a strong emotional hook. Stop. It is a form of collective catharsis which allows a section of Marathis to vent their pain. Stop. Many suffer daily from an Aam Aadmi in Pethold, Mumbai to a poor farmer in under irrigated Vidarbha. Stop. It is nice to have someone to blame, especially when their leader ratifies such a notion. Stop. It has to be someone not like them. Stop. And Biharis happen to be an easy target. Stop. It's extremely hard to reason with such emotionally charged people. Stop. Hence, arguments about all Indians being equal or the national economy and workforce being one and seamless won't be bought. Stop. So, while radical politicians thrive, reasonable ones sink. Stop. However, the real irony of the situation was revealed last fortnight. The biggest irrigation scam was conducted in Maharashtra by Marathis and against Marathis. Stop. Yes, the main accused in the scam are not Biharis. Stop. If you thought a poor migrant family standing in line for a bucket of water was the cause of Mumbai's problems, think again, stop. It is some bad Marathi voted to power by good Marathis who robbed the later silly stop. It is the Marathis politicians running one of the most corrupt state governments in India. Stop. It is your own people, those you trust, who have kept the state backward. Stop. There is no reason for Maharashtra to be so poor. Stop. It has a vast educated class, hardworking workforce, large land area, ample connectivity. Besides, housing Mumbai, India's commercial hub. Stop. And yet, Maharashtra's farmers continue to have one of the highest suicide rates in the country. Stop.